So I'm downstairs in what we call our flex room, which is like office, TV, dancing hall, whatever you want it to be. And my door is pretty narrow, and the challenge for me is that I'm really tall, so stemming is hard because of that, because I actually need more extension. But I did do partial one, so there might be an option. There were some hazards. I went to get the screwdriver and I took out a couple things down here. The trim is not that great, so I wouldn't want to put a whole bunch of weight on it. And I have the door, which only it doesn't quite open all the way. So, but I've worked in it before, and you know, it's kind of fun to work in a constrained space like a doorway.
Nice.
Oh, it's my turn? Well, thank you for letting me do this with you. It's so much fun. I've missed dancing so much. It's been way too long since I've been in a studio, and this room is way too small, but this is a really interesting way of exploring a small space by yourself. So thanks for the idea, Julia.
Yeah, you're welcome.